10 Best ChatGPT Prompts for WordPress Marketing. Marketing a WordPress website effectively requires a combination of strategies and tools. Unlock the marketing genius inside of you with the best ChatGPT prompts for WordPress marketing. Ever felt like you're wandering in the vast desert of digital marketing, looking for an oasis but only finding mirages? You're not alone. Every WordPress site owner faces this challenge. But imagine having a genie. One you can summon anytime to guide you. That's where ChatGPT comes into play. Today, we're not just sharing tips. We're handing you the keys to the kingdom. 10 ChatGPT prompts that might as well be the Rosetta Stone of WordPress marketing. These aren't just any ChatGPT prompts. They're pathways to success, tailored to tap into the marketing potential lying dormant in your WordPress site. Whether it's the mysteries of SEO, the art of affiliate marketing, or the science behind conversion rate optimization, we've got you covered. So, grab your digital lamp, and let's release the genie. Here are 10 ChatGPT prompts tailored to guide users on maximizing their WordPress site's marketing potential. 1. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress marketing basics. What are the foundational marketing strategies for a WordPress website? 2. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress SEO strategies. How can I optimize my WordPress site for better search engine visibility? 3. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress email marketing integration. Which plugins or tools do you recommend for integrating email marketing with my WordPress site? 4. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress social media integration. How can I effectively connect my WordPress site to social media platforms for enhanced marketing? 5. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress content marketing. What are the best practices for content marketing on a WordPress platform? 6. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress lead generation. Which tools or WordPress plugins can help in generating and capturing leads on my WordPress website? 7. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress analytics and tracking. How do I integrate Google Analytics or other tracking tools to measure my site's marketing performance? 8. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress paid advertising and retargeting. How can I set up retargeting ads for visitors to my WordPress site? 9. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress affiliate marketing. Can you guide me on setting up an affiliate marketing program using WordPress? 10. Best ChatGPT prompt for WordPress conversion rate optimization. CRO. What are some effective CRO techniques and tools for WordPress to increase sales or signups? Using these prompts with ChatGPT, users can dive deep into various marketing strategies, tools, and best practices that can amplify the reach and conversions of their WordPress website. Remember, success comes to those who take action. Sign up now by clicking the link in the description below to download 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts and experience the power of ChatGPT prompts for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content.